Hello, welcome to English for Everyone. Today we're going to learn some advanced vocabulary. We're looking at the word vulnerable. Vulnerable is a description. It's an adjective. It describes a person or a thing or a place. Vulnerable means in danger, not strong, easy to hurt, similar to weak. So it's something that's easy to hurt or easy to damage. Children are vulnerable because they're small. They can get hurt easily. They're vulnerable to many things. Children are vulnerable to bad influences. It's easy to influence them in a bad way because they're young and they don't have experience. So they're vulnerable to bad influences. Children are vulnerable to bad influences. Remember, with vulnerable, we use to as the connector. To, the preposition. Vulnerable to. Again, children are vulnerable to bad influences. Example, the country. The country is not strong. They have a small army, a small military, so they're vulnerable to attack. The country is small and they're vulnerable to attack from other countries. They're not strong enough to defend themselves, so they're vulnerable to attack. He is feeling vulnerable right now. It would be easy to hurt him. He's feeling vulnerable because his girlfriend just broke up with him. His girlfriend just ended their long relationship. So he is feeling vulnerable. Or you can say he is vulnerable right now. It would be easy to hurt his feelings. Let's look at the pronunciation of vulnerable. Pronunciation, vulnerable. V, vul. This is a dark L, so it goes in the back. Vul. Vuln, vulner, 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 vulnerab, 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 vulnerable, vulnerable. Stress on the first syllable. Vulnerable, 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 vulnerable. He's feeling very vulnerable right now because his girlfriend broke up with him. He's very vulnerable. Let's practice. Children are small and they don't have a lot of experience in life. Are they vulnerable to bad influences? That's right. They are vulnerable to bad influences. The country is small and they don't have a large military. Are they vulnerable to attack? Very good. That's right. They are vulnerable to attack. His girlfriend just broke up with him. He's very sad. And is he vulnerable to? Very good. Is he feeling very vulnerable right now? That's right. He's feeling very vulnerable right now. Good job. Thank you for watching. And if you want to learn more vocabulary and practice speaking more, subscribe to our channel and keep on watching. Goodbye.